Okay. Yes, Alan.
Andariki Namaskaram. Hi. That's the only word I know from Telugu. I'm so happy to be here. It feels like my second home. We all are connected with movies. I watch a lot of Telugu movies. I grew up watching Allu Arjun sir films. So I'm a huge fan of Allu sir. And my favorite movie is Jersey. That is one of my favorite movie. Jersey. So guys, 24th April, you're going to watch one of the best movies in Malayalam. Okay, thank you for here, and I'm giving the mic to Vinayak. Please say something.